All right, what's going on, everybody? Hope y'all are doing well out here. My name is Derek, and today we're going to take a look at my first pair of Adidas Ultra Boost. I know I'm about 5 years late after the first pair of 1.0s released in what's a really fantastic color, the OG color, if you will, the black, the white, and I think there was purple. Maybe there was another color in there, but I remember black, white, and purple. But this is not that color. This is the Ultra Boost in the S&L colorway, or model I should say, and the colorway is black and silver. So I picked these up on finishline.com a couple days ago, maybe about 4 days ago. Shipping was really fast. Got these for a really good deal actually, just over $79. First, before I get into the shoe, let's actually take a look at what box it comes in for those of you that are interested. So you'll see right here we have a regular black Adidas box, and you can see that it shows the shoe's model, product code, all that for all of you who are interested. And these are indeed a size 12, which I typically wear. On the side of the box we have the Adidas logo right here, which is also on the other side of the box. And then there's another Adidas logo at the back of the box as well. All right, so when we open it up, you got this really interesting triangular type of cutout to open up the box with. And inside, we have the Ultra Boost wrapping paper right here. It's upside down at the moment, but you can see here, this is the paper that comes in the box. It says Ultra Boost in a newer type of Ultra Boost font compared to the older one, which is actually still on the shoe. They have an older Ultra Boost font on there. And here's the shoe right here. So again, this is the Ultra Boost S&L suede and leather in black and gray. So you could actually consider this to be a triple black colorway, as it has 3 different types of black. It's an interesting thing about triple black. Initially, it used to be black, anthracite, and maybe a more glossy or darker shade of black. But this one right here, as you can tell on the back, has black suede. You'll see the Ultra Boost logo right there, which is the original Ultra Boost font. Also on the side here, going around the ankle collar, you'll see that there is a really thick mesh that's here as well. Very comfortable. You can feel that it's really well padded by looking in the shoe as well and checking out what the mesh looks like on the inside there. And moving on to the side of the shoe, you'll notice that there is suede here on the toe area, and above that we see a gray material. And that gray is actually in 3M material, so anywhere where that gray is on the shoe ends up lighting up whenever you have a really bright light that will strike that material, or a flash of light, whatever the case may be. It'll light up really nicely. Right up here, you'll notice on the tongue of the shoe that the Adidas logo is also in that same 3M material. And then at the back of the shoe, by the heel pull tab, you'll see that this gray material is also in 3M, so y'all will see that this illuminates as well. This is actually a suede feeling like material, so the other 3M, like here, it feels more like your classic 3M material, which feels more like a fuse almost, and this feels like more of like a fuse material as well, so synthetic, if you will. This though feels very much like suede, and I'm pretty sure that it is suede. It's not as thick as the suede on the heel cup right here, but it is pretty substantial, and it also lights up really nicely, so that's a pretty cool touch. The 3 stripes in the cage right here also light up as well, but not as brightly as the 3M does on the heel or on the front of the shoe, or on the tongue where the Adidas logo is either. So let's take a look at the medial side of the shoe right here. Move these tags out the way. Of course, it looks identical to the lateral side. Really good looking pair of shoes. The cage on the Ultra Boost is one of my favorite features. It's very reminiscent of one of my favorite shoes of all time, the Nike Presto. And I like the way how it does a good job of hugging the foot and keeping it contained within the shoe. So on the side, running full length, is that glorious Ultra Boost in black, which I absolutely prefer to the colorways with the white Boost, even though, of course, with Boost not being a material that can be dyed in the production process, according to Adidas, although I have my doubts, quite frankly. You'll notice here at the bottom of the shoe, it has the white Boost peeking through the Continental rubber outsole, which is a really good look, and actually my favorite part of the shoe. I think that it looks really, really smooth. So it's a really great pair of shoes. I like them, especially for the price I got them for. Interestingly, this pair comes with a, I forget what you call this, but you got the toe stopper or the shoe guard that it comes with, and you also get a easy to remove orange outsole that has Boost written in it in the newer Boost font, which I know some people do not like. I actually like it and think it looks good and kind of makes sense because it looks bouncy, similar to what Boost somewhat is like with the cushy feel. So it's really smooth. And on the other side, you get these cutouts that actually match the cutouts you'll see on the inside of the shoe if you take the outsole or the insole out of it. So it's a really nice pair of shoes. I think they look really smooth. I'm excited to wear them. These are gonna get a good amount of wear for me. I didn't buy them to be beaters. I bought them more so because I like comfortable shoes, and I do a lot of walking around the area that I live in. So yeah, hopefully y'all like them, and I'm gonna give y'all a quick on-foot look of what the shoes look like as well. All right, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed that on-foot look at the Adidas Ultra Boost S&L in the black and gray colorway. Definitely like these shoes a lot. I think they were really well thought out by Adidas, from the mesh you see here at the toe, I should say, and then you can see the suede again, the mesh you see at the ankle, and also the orange lace tips. Orange hits all around the shoe. You see the torsion bar down here as well, that's orange. And of course, as you saw, this insole as well. I think Adidas did a really, really good job with these. Look forward to wearing them a lot and enjoying the comfort that everyone raves about with the Boost outsole. So y'all take it easy, definitely subscribe, and like this video. Hopefully I'll have some more videos coming out really soon that can be checked out here on the channel. And for now, yeah, y'all have a good one. Be safe out here. Later.